Hi everyone, Mark again. This time I'm starting from just the slides. Tell me what you think. Do you like seeing the full screen before the video, or would you like just the slides? Right? But here's just the slides. We have our reported speech sentences again. Some of you may think, what's going on? Why does this look so familiar? Well, I did a version of this before for our pre-intermediate and lower intermediate students. Okay, this video right here is for our more advanced students. So you'll see, right, for our younger students, or not younger, our newer students, right, again, pre-intermediate level students, they learned reported speech as this general rule, right? We have to share information with someone who has spoken to us, or we hear information from someone. We have to report that to someone new, right? He told me that, he said that, okay? That's reported speech. And we learned, right? Usually what you have to do is like this, right? If I do, I live in Singapore, right? We're changing our direct speech into something we have reported, right? I live, he told me that he lived, right? I've been, he told me that he'd been. And again, I'm going through this very quickly. If you haven't seen this grammar before, please watch our other reported speech sentences video, okay? But again, this is our basics. We changed the pronoun. We changed the verb, right? I changed to he because I'm talking about a man. Live changed to lived because I'm talking about a conversation we had in the past. So this is our general rule, right? The general rule we have. And we have all of these different tense changes that we have to follow when we use reported speech. The general rule, right? Usually present changes to past, okay? Present usually changes to past. Past simple, the general rule is to change to perfect. Can, will, could, should, must. Special changes to had to. And those are the basics, right? For anyone who's pre-intermediate, even intermediate students, that's all you need to know, right? Even intermediate, any conversation you have, these basic rules are what you need to know, right? So if you're more advanced though as a student, this is where it gets a little trickier. Sometimes we have to add two more things that we have to change. Sometimes we're going to change the time, and sometimes we're going to change the position. So what are they? What's time and position? Well, let me see if I can show you. If I'm talking about a time in the past, it wouldn't be tomorrow. Maybe I talked to my friend 2 weeks ago, right? And 2 weeks ago, she said, oh, tomorrow I'll be there. Okay. But for me, tomorrow is tomorrow, right? The time has changed. So sometimes instead of saying tomorrow, we change tomorrow to the next day. Same for this. If I say, I'll see you next week, if I'm reporting, he'll sometimes say, or my friend will sometimes say, right? He said he said he'd see me the following week, right? So you'll sometimes see this pattern where we take the normal time phrase and then we're trying to adjust it, to change it so that it works better for reported speech. And you'll see phrases like these, okay? For the bottom two, if I have the week before and the previous week, that's the same idea, right? If I say last week, my last week is talking about, oh, you're watching this right now. Last week is 1 week ago. But my last week and your last week can be different if we're talking from a different time, right? So that's why we sometimes use these new time phrases specifically for our reported speech, okay? There's another thing we sometimes have to change, and that's the position. So if I say, I will meet you here at 7:30, I'll meet you here at 7:30. For me, here is my school, right? Here is my school. But for you, are you here? No, for you, here is there, right? Often we will change our position word, right? Right? I'm here. Oh, he said he was there. Right? Right? This is my phone. He said that that was his phone, or that that is his phone. Okay? My this changes to your that. My here changes to your there. And my these, right? These, oh, I don't have any of these. These are my glasses, right? These are my glasses. He said that those were his glasses, right? So sometimes we change the position as well, okay? So that's our basics, not our basics, those are our more advanced versions of our reported speech, the time and the position. Okay, so here's my extra examples you guys can take a look at. Here I'm taking my next week, and you see what I've done? I've changed it to the following week because our idea of week has changed because of the reported speech. Or this is the food, right? Or I just did, this is the best food that I've ever eaten, right? Yeah, good. So that one, oh, that's just a simple example, right? We don't have the, oh no, that's what I changed. Okay, I changed there it is. I'm like, what's this example for? This one I changed, this is the best food I've ever eaten, right? This is the best food I've ever eaten. He said, or she, right? She told me that was the best food that she'd ever eaten, right? I changed the this into a that, right? And that is something that you'll see whenever people are using this type of grammar, right? Again, this is a small thing. It's not something that you'll use very often, but we will sometimes hear them adjust the time and position for reported speech. Okay. So, oh, nice. I have two more examples for you. If I say here, he said, I love it here. I love it here. Okay. And this is my favorite place, right? So again, I'm going to change the I love it here. He said he loved it there. Okay. I'm not here anymore, right? I'm not here anymore, so it changes. Or he told me, right, that this is my favorite place. He told me that that was his favorite place. Okay, changing there. Okay, bottom one. Let's do one more. My next week. Again, I'll be here next week. She said she'd be there. Oh, there's two. I'll be here next week. She said she'd be there the following week. Okay, and that one's actually a great way to show our final version of this grammar, right? I had to change the I, right, to our new pronoun, to a she. I had to change the will to a would. I know it's hiding in here, but this D is a would, right? Will, would. And then I changed my here, right? My here changed to my there, and my next week changed to the following week, right? So there's my adjustment, okay? I changed 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I changed most of that sentence whenever I was changing it to reported speech because of all of those 4 different rules, okay? I think, yeah, my only final advice here, some people remember this as pronoun, tense, time, position. You can do PPTT or T or PTTP, something like that. Those are the 4 you have to watch out for if you are changing this reported speech, right? This direct speech into reported speech. So pronoun, tense, time, position. As always, everybody, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe. If you have questions, as always, please comment below. And I will see, oh yeah, this is actually our advanced video. I forgot to change this, but if it's too easy, you can watch some of our, maybe not our reported speech video, you can watch some of our upper level videos. We're trying to add more videos every week. Please come back, please subscribe so you can see all of them. But for now, everybody, hope you have a great week, and I'll catch you in the next one.